Alright guys, this is usually what it consists of a park up boat wash. I use this stuff here, the boat 4x4 wash salt remover. Says about 60ml per litre, but I put about 30 in, and this thing's 8 litres, so put about 240ml into this thing. There's an 8 litre weed sprayer, and then I just put use filtered water from inside, and yeah, basically spray it on the boat, let it sit down for a while, and then scrub it, and then wash it off. And it usually comes up good. You can see I've washed it down the boat ramp, and you can still see all the calcium and salt still on it, so you need this stuff to get all the salt off proper. Anyway, I'll do a video after I've washed it. Alright, cheers guys. You can probably see the salt on everything still. Alright, cheers.